Let's go check. Oh, look how beautiful. Yo, fuck off. She's got nurses, by the way. Anyways. I'm having a fun time. Yo, am I tweaking? Am I? No. Yes. No. Stop. Yo, I can't move my mouse in a straight line. On the. Yo, my PC. I cannot ponder what he finds. So funny. Dude reading a DVD Twitter thread. Oh, you're so right.
The person you're trying to reach
is no longer in service. Fuck! Okay. Wait, he's already... Yo! Alright, she's moving. Is she coming here? Let's see if we can see... Ah! F*** you. Everything's red. This isn't gonna get annoying at all. Purple guy! I forgot. My game just crashed 3 times. Oh, there's my microphone. That's awkward. Come on, games. Immaculate. Is he your third? I don't know. Can't be injured here. Okay, I guess. Yo, man. Guys, it didn't. Guys, this is the wrong gate. I need you to run that way. 3, 2. She went upstairs. I think I can hit this. Oh, yes. Alright. This is a good tile, I think. The lock is here? I don't actually think this lock is here, guys. What the fuck? Oh, perfect. Wait. Head-on's ready? Yes. 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 Peek. Peek. The value. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? He's back. Hey guys. Okay, now you guys are having a little hangout. No, it's okay. Pass on the geek bar, I understand. I don't make anything. What the fuck just happened, guys? My first game as Springtrap. We've waited 30 minutes for this game, so I better not fumble the bag. I'm not ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready. No, I'm ready. Guys, I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, I'm so ready. Where'd I go? Hello! Oh! He left me. No. Ah! Is that the fucking... Oh my god! Oh! This stream's probably not gonna last more than an hour because I'm so tired. This stream's not gonna last more than an hour. I'm just exhausted. I'm partying my brains out, but like, yeah, watch this. I'm out of beam. Liquesto? I don't know what that means. Liquesto? Oh my god, I might lose this game. Oh, she thought I'd fake it. What the fuck? She vaulted this time. Yep, it's okay. 9 games on fleek. Sable. Sable. Oh my god! That feels so nice to use, by the way. Story. Can I die? Oh, I can't. Oh, then chill. My fault, Jit. Night 3 behind the curtain. Oh! He had no slowdown, by the way. He had lethal, predator, nowhere to hide, and floods of rage. He was running an aura build, and my team goes, wah! I don't want to play the game anymore.
The noise. Oh my gosh, the noise. They need to get oiled up or something.
Oh! This is the play. The next 9 minutes of my life are gonna be doing this shit. No way you did a gen. What are you doing, bud?
Bro did a gen.
What the fuck is... What's the... Oh.
You wanna talk about my job?
No, I understand. What do you chase? I'm wasting so much time. Whoopsies! Do I fake it? Fake it. Oh. Oh me, oh my. Well, would you look at that? Find the papers. I'm too fucking asshole, bro. I have another little gimmick too. By the way, I'm the best player in the game. First off. Second off, she's gonna be waiting right here. Third off, now she's waiting right here. Anyways, so absolute fucking cinema. To be fair, this is fucking cinema. Why would I want to play a game like Dead by Daylight where I can get chased and, have engaging, fun gameplay where I can just look back and forth between 2 doors listening for like 3 different audio cues? And then the door's gonna be already open and I'm like, yo, what the fuck is going on? And then someone's gonna be inside of me and then I'm gonna die or something. Purple guy! My game crashed. Bounce a ping pong ball into a cup. And that's it. Oh, you're getting rolled, dog. Bye-bye. There's a British guy there. Then he has a British friend, and he's so cool. That was the guy I had the discussion with Valorant about. And he's a comp. Oh, dude, I'm juicing this guy, by the way. I had a conversation about how Harbor is not bad unless you play comp. Then Harbor is kind of predictable. I'm just gonna greed this until you stop respecting it. Like right now. Oh, what the fuck? That hits me? What's your ping, bud?
Well, yo, what the fuck was that?
Ping check.
Why are you blue?
Why are you? I make this pallet. Paleta. I don't drop it. Oh, I should have dropped it. What the fuck, man? Whoopsies. I see why. Yeah, I understand why that hit me now. Spin? No, no spin for me. You got me. What? He definitely does now, though. Yo. Yo. I have to heal now. My game is so laggy, bro. My game's frozen. Guys. My game just crashed. No, it didn't. Yeah, it did. No phone call? Alright, bitch. I guess I'll go fuck myself. And I'll let Foxy watch. I have quick and quiet. Dude. Where'd she even die? What the fuck? Now let me get some value. Maybe be a doll. Okay. You did it too early. Nice. Go fuck yourself, Foxy. Wait. Okay. You're on my totem. Get off it! Oh, you bitch! You have sprint burst. She bled out and died. You know what? I'll take it. Value. Hello, lady. I don't like this at all, man. I hate that, man. Whatever the fuck this is, I'm not a fan. Okay, I can't go in there. Dude, I hate this. Stop. I'm turning my headset off. I can't do that anymore. Not at all listening to that ambience. Okay, I'm not a pussy. I'm turning my headset back on. Yo. I might be a pussy. Why do I feel so much faster going diagonally? What the fuck, man? Stop! Dang, Bonnie's still there. Nope, he's gone now. Perfect. Used a third of our fucking power, and it is just walk right in then, I guess. No, it's okay. Nice! You will submit. Damn right you will. Bye-bye. He's gonna double back. No. And I'm gone. Oh. Where did I go, bud? Ding. Take a walk back. Hit him. Let me hit him with this one. Ready? Oh yes! I wonder how many different individual people had their furry awakening in this game. Oh no, huge. I don't think he knows I can see his aura, guys. I don't think he knows. Come here, Bill! But what did I do? Sean's calling me. How do I answer him? Hey, buddy.
Now, who told you streaming was a good idea?
Huh?
Now, who told you that streaming was a good idea?
I did. It's free content, really, at the end of the day.
If you think about it, it might just be free content at the
There's a
end of the
new
day.
Xenomorph skin? Oh my god! Wow. Oh me, oh my! You can stay, my friend. Oh, I'm still alive. Peek. Oh, wow. Are you leaving yet, bitch? Alright. Well, that's just hardly fair, isn't it? This is fine. Think he saw that? Oh. Oh. No, he didn't. Whoopsies! Oh, such good on all ears value. Exquisite. I know. I'm killer. Ah, Rose killer. What killer was that? Did it sound like a? It's a Nemesis. And Nemesis. I don't know why they were like. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? I'll make that. I'll make that. Oh, I made that. Oh, did she just? Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing. Okay, so she's cheating. Oh no, that's for the people. Oh shit, guys. Guys, I'm special. That is the real date, actually. Not the real time, though. No, it's not the right date. Am I fucking tweaking? It's 6/1/25. So. Ah! What the fuck was that? Not the Chica helicopter. Rufflecopter go whoa, whoa, whoa.
My Rufflecopter goes swah, swah, swah.
And then I was like, nah. Why would I stop doing it? That's lame. That's cringe. I'm not that guy. Okay, he's gonna be on my left. Good to know. Oh. Ow. Well, that sucks. Are you giving up? No, don't give up. I'm coming for you. Oh. I guess. I'm going? Okay. She's gonna kill herself. But I'll do it. Come. Come. Come here. You swing. You swing. I'm just gonna go. Are we looping? Guys, we're looping. Oh shit. Guys, hold on, wait. It's value. She's waiting out the fucking head on. No, no, no. I'm just not gonna do it. Guys, this is value. See, it's okay though, because that gave me an extra little bit of chase. Wait! Okay. No, no, no. It was value though. It was value. Window. Oh. Hey, Kate. No, sir. I've got nothing. Why make this? Oh.